Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on Snapchat. If you log in on Snapchat, then face this type of error due to repeated failed attempts. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open any one browser like Chrome and Google, and from here you search for this Snapchat Sports. Tap on this and tap on first link, Snapchat Sports. Wait a some second and tap on my account is compromised. Tap on this. Wait a some second. Then tap on I cannot access my account and scroll down, and then tap on I see an error message when I log in. Tap on this, and after that scroll down and tap on yes. From here you tap on username and active Gmail or phone number, enter your device name, and after that you as can see description, enter your problem, and scroll down and tap on submit. And after submit, Snapchat team contact your Gmail or phone number, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.